Hello, hello. It is time for this week's Dollar Tree haul. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everyone brought in the new year and wrote down their goals and the things they wanted for 2018, and I hope it all happens for all of you. So this week, we're going to be working on another project. So if you saw the video last week I put up was the New Year Day wreath that I made for my front door, and you can keep that up for a few weeks. But we also have Mardi Gras coming, so I'm going to show you all the things that I purchased for our next wreath that you're going to want to watch tomorrow. And here are some of the items that I picked up, and it will be sort of similar but not similar. I think the hardest thing you guys are going to have finding is the mesh, but I've been getting lucky because I hit the little ones on my way home en route, so I might find one or two of the colors that I need. So first of all, they have these really cute masks. So I got a pink one, of course, and of course, how could you not have the little Mardi Gras crown with the little glasses? So they have these cute headbands. They have these also, which, how fun are these for a masquerade party anytime during the year? I would pick up a few if you're considering that, especially for a kid's birthday party. They have some cute ones that you can do. So here are the colors that I was able to find, which are the green and the white. Of course, these are from Dollar Tree, and they have the spring colors coming out. I did get a purple, so here's the purple one. So I've been getting lucky with mesh. So you got to keep a close eye and grab things as you can because they're going to go quickly. The other thing I got, of course, is the crown, because let's face it, with Mardi Gras, there's all kinds of things, including the beads. So we're going to make a fun wreath, and I'm going to show you guys how I make mine. So that would be the next project. And what I thought was really cute with these are the little masks that come on top of your beads. So let's see what else I got. I got these cute hats. Now, these hats come in these fun colors, but guess what? You might as well pick up more because we can make other projects with them. And let's face it, what's next? St. Patrick's Day. So Mardi Gras, Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day. So you want to pick up the colored hats because we're going to be making other things and you're going to want these hats. Then they have the cute feather boas in the different colors, but they also have them in the solid colors. So we're going to do them, and they're all together with the Mardi Gras items. Okay, so we're going to be using all these items in our wreath, and I'm going to show you what my plans are. Then I got these, which I thought were really nice. I have never seen this. It's a two-piece set. They have them in different shapes. So they have like an oval shape. They have this one, and I do believe that they have a square one, but I thought these were really nice. It comes with the lid, and they snap right on. So they're nice, especially if you want to clean and organize and get rid of all the plastic that we save. You want to make your cabinets look nice and clean, and you need some storage for your leftovers. These are really nice. So I picked up a few of these for my son as well. The only thing is when you buy them, make sure your lids snap on. See, there we go. So it's on and it's nice and secure. It won't come out. So I got those. I got these few items because, well, not a few, but the Valentine's Day stuff is coming out. So this is the last of my haul, and let's face it, gnomes are in, so I thought why not make some Valentine's Day gnomes, and those will be coming up soon. I did do the bottle gnomes, and you can do those for Valentine's Day as well. You have to go to my YouTube channel to watch that video. So if you're going somewhere for Valentine's Day and you want to bring a bottle of wine, all you have to do is change out the socks to make them Valentine's Day. So now I went to Hobby Lobby, and I was looking at, it's called fur, you know what I mean, like for the beard. It's called fur, oh, what the heck is it called? Well, the other one was called shimmer fur. So it's just like a fur design, you know, that feels like, you know, the beard for the gnomes, and they had them in different colors, but the white is usually for the gnomes. So you just have to go and look where they have like their pipe cleaners and stuff like that if you're going to Hobby Lobby, but they all do have that fur lining, whatever they want to call it. I know that it's fur fake fur, and it's for the beard. So I'm not sure what the name of it is. But anyway, you can get your socks, and of course you buy different colors. If you watch the bottle, we used the toe socks for the little hands because it looks like a little mitten. And I'm going to come up with another way yet so that we can make a different type of gnome. And we're going to make a couple because, hello, it's Valentine's Day, so let's put two together. And then I got these black gloves because I'm always thinking of something. Not only that, it is winter time. It's good to throw them in your car. But I was thinking of something else fun to make because it is winter, and of course you guys will be the first ones to know when I do make them. So those are the projects coming up. We're going to make a Mardi Gras wreath. We're going to make a gnome bottles for Valentine's Day. I do have another fun project that I've been working on. I've been wanting to do with you guys for a long, long time. Makes a cute little gift for Valentine's Day. So you'll have to stay tuned and keep watching. So I hope that I see all of you really, really soon. Tune in tomorrow for the Mardi Gras wreath and make your own because these holidays are coming up rather quickly. You need to get your supplies now. So until I see all of you, have a great new year. Bye.